What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can create footprints with dynamic paint and character walking on puddles, some cool stuff. We're gonna play around on dynamic paint. So I'm in Blender, I'm gonna select this cube, X delete, Shift A on the mesh, add plane, S and move the mouse to make it bigger. Now I'm gonna click tab to go to the edit mode, right click and choose subdivide. And once again right click and subdivide. You wanna add more geometry to your plane, so I'm gonna add a couple of times, repeat this process, something like this. And I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode. Now, go on the file, import, and choose FBX. And you wanna load your animated 3D model. You can animate your 3D model in Maximo Com. So I'm gonna just bring this guy. As you can see, he is walking. So I'm gonna rescale it by S and move the mouse. Yes, make it smaller. Now, what do you wanna do? Select your plane. I already got this tutorial, but I wanna show you later with the puddles, okay? So I'm selecting my plane and go right here on this icon and choose dynamic paint and choose add canvas right here and select the shoes of your character, or maybe if you have just one model of your character, select the model, and once again on this icon choose dynamic paint and change this to brush and choose add brush. You can play around on those settings, but if I'm gonna just bring this down the timeline, I can select my plane of course, and I must change from paint to the displays. And as you can see, this already starts to display my stupid plane, yes, right here, to create those footprints. But later I'm gonna show you with the puddles, so very quickly how you can create. So as you can see, this already creates this stupid footprints. Now, the more geometry you're gonna add, the better the results you're gonna have. But you can select this plane, right click and choose shade smooth. And you're gonna have different effect, as you can see, of your footprints. So we can add some snow material and your character gonna create those footprints, so that's cool. I'm gonna show you with the puddles. So I'm gonna select my plane, click tab to go to the edit mode. I'm gonna click V and this circle appears, and I'm gonna hold shift and select some stupid right here pages. I'm gonna select some stupid stuff right here to create the puddles and hold shift, and maybe right here I'm gonna select some parts that's gonna behave like water. Right click and choose separate selection. Now I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode. So this is my puddles. I can select this object, yes, that I create, and right here I got this dynamic paint. I can click plus and I can change this from paint to wave. So basically on these puddles the displacement is happening, yes, that I created 1 minute ago, and the wave is happening on dynamic paint. I hope you get it how this works. And if I'm gonna just play, I hope you can see this behaves like some kind of water, if that makes sense, because I just selected the wave and dynamic paint, yes. And of course I can just move this around and add a different plane right here, and I already got this kind of effect like my character is walking on water, yes, something like this. I can of course select those puddles, add some subdivision surface to round this up a little bit, yes, the stupid geometry, and I want to show you how it looks. Wait, yes, I can of course play around on dynamic paint, yes, how much the wave is behaving. So I can select the stupid stuff, and right here on the wave you can name this by double clicking, of course, yes. I'm gonna just on the dip-in just right here turn this down, have more better effect like this. Wait guys, no, my PC is lagging. So, right here I'm just playing around on the values to have better results for you guys. As you can see, this already creates this kind of water, and as you can see this kind of displays effect, yes. So we can create very simple puddles and displacement happening using dynamic paint. So I hope you get it how this works, guys. And you can add water material, snow material, whatever you want, yes, on this stuff. My PC is a little bit laggy, so play around on this dynamic paint right here on those values. I feel like I got the tutorial, I explained what kind of value is what, so I'm not going to repeat myself. As you can see, I created this stupid puddles animation. I can add right here some different material on the puddles, some different material. Of course, I can create different shape of the puddles. If you like this content, subscribe, guys, and see you on the next video. Bye, guys.